Alright, so I've been thinking a lot, or I can't stop thinking about the mechanical versus electronic moving lenses. I guess not debate, but just, thoughts. And, with mechanical, I like that a little more because, well, I mean, there's no real, I don't really have a, bias towards one or the other, but, well, actually, I kind of do. Because with electronic, you have stuff there's cons for both, but with the electronic, you have electronic stuff in your face. But with the mechanical, you have to, either use a air pressure device or, some other type of mechanics you'd have to use. But with electronic, you have a lot more freedom. And, there's cons for both, really. But anyways, for electronics, I thought what would be cool is if, because I was looking at the PS4 mask and I was wondering, in the game, when you see the mask on the table near the beginning of the game and the electronics are all around the inside of the lenses here, I thought what would be interesting is if you had a touch sensor here. Sorry, that was way too big, a little smaller than that, but there and there, and basically your eyebrow would be right here. The sensors are smaller, sorry for making them big, but basically your eyebrows would be touching the sensors and they wouldn't be activating at the moment, but depending on if you raise or lower your eyebrows, they'd be touching your skin would be touching one of the sensors, and the frames would close or open. And what's nice about it is if your eyebrows are here, touching both sensors, the frames aren't activating and you'd be saving power. And basically the power would only be used if you're raising or lowering your eyebrows. And I know that some small hydraulics use up a lot of power, and they can only hold up, they can only push or pull. I meant push or pull, that's what I meant to say. Some push or pull mechanisms can only hold it for a few, like 1 second basically. So I think this would be interesting to try out, or maybe if there's some other type of thing I can do. But yeah, once I save up money, I'm definitely going to try this out because I think this would be a fun project. I've always wanted to dive a little bit more into mechanics and stuff like that, but we'll see. If you have the money and you want to try it, go ahead and do that. Let me know how that works out. But yeah, thanks for watching, if you did watch this, if anyone watched this. But oh yeah, I'm also going to C2E2 this year, so if you're there, I'll be wearing Scarlet Spider. Except poor Scarlet Spider who can't afford the leg straps. But I do have web shooters, not like the Scarlet Spider web shooters, but just the PS4 web shooters. Alright, see you in the next video. Who knows when that's gonna be. Ha 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 ha.